Assalamualaikum dear students. It is class 10th and we have been discussing this AP from last 1 week, arithmetic progression. Now question number 12 up to question number 11 we have already attempted. Question number 12 reads, question number 12, find the sum of 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Now find the sum of 40 positive integers divisible by 6. So n is given here, n is 40, so we have to find the positive integers, sum of 40 positive integers which are divisible by 6. Now what are the numbers which are divisible by 6? 6 ones are 6, 2s are 12, 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, so on. These are the numbers which are divisible by 6. And we have to find the sum of 40 such integers which are divisible by 6. So here a is equal to 6. What is d? D is 12 minus 6, that is 6 again. And what is n here? It is 40. Now you can easily calculate the sum. Sn is equal to n by 2, you know it, into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So simple. So S40, sum of 40 integers which are divisible by 6 is, this is 40 divided by 2 because n is 40 into 2a. What is a? A is here 6 plus n is 40 minus 1 into 6. D is again 6. So this is 2 20s are, this is 20 into 2 6 are 12 plus 39 into 6. 40 minus 1 is 39. So this is further equivalent to 20 into 12 plus 6 9s are 54, 6 3s are 8, 18, 5 2 3. So this is 234 plus 12. This is 20 into, this is 6, this is 4, 246, and this is further equivalent to 0. When you multiply 20 into 246, the sum of 40 terms, S40 will be equal to 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 9, 2 2s are 4, 4 9 2 0. This is the answer. This is very important question. So we are asked to find the sum of 40 such integers which are divisible by 6. You can easily form an AP. The numbers which are divisible by 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, so on. So these are the numbers which are divisible by 6. Obviously the sum is 4920. Similarly, one more question is, find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. You will proceed in the likewise manner. 15, I think you can try it at your places. Find the sum of 15. Here n is equal to 15. Multiples of 8. 15 multiples of 8. What are the multiples of 8? 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, so on. These are the multiples of 8, and you have to find the sum of 15 such integers which are multiples of 8. So here again a is equal to 8. What is d? D is 16 minus 8, it is again 8. So n is equal to 15. What is Sn? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. I think this is very easy. For n you will substitute here 15 divided by 2 into 2a, a is 8. N is 15 minus 1 into d, d is 8. I think this is very simple. You can proceed in this question and find the answer. Proceed it. This is your homework. Proceed further and find the sum. So this was question number 13. Now question number 14 reads, the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. Sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. Odd numbers, you know what are the odd numbers? Yes. Odd numbers are the numbers, yes, 1 3 5 7 9. Or you should recognize if this number 23,586 87, This number, whether this is an odd or even, this is an odd number. Odd number by the definition is, odd number are those numbers which have at their units place 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. Or you can say any number which has at its units place 1, that is odd number. If there is 3 at here at the units place or 1's place, it is again odd number. If there is 5 at units place, it is again odd number. If there is 7 at units place, again odd number. If there is 9 at units place or 1's place of any number, then it is an odd number. So simple definition, any number which has at their units place or 1's place 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, any one of these 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, when a number has got at its units place 1, it is an odd number. If there is at its units place it is 3, again it is an odd number. So if there is 5 at its units or 1's place, it is again an odd number. If there is 7 or 9, whatever it is, so all those numbers which have at their units place or 1's place 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9, any one among these, then it is an odd number. And the definition of an even number, you know what is an even number? Any number which has at its units place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Any number which has at its units place 0, it is an even number. If there is 2 at its units place, it is 2. Suppose a bigger number, 75,67,784. Now this is an even number. Now you can easily recognize this because it has got 4 at its units place. Where any number which has got 4 or 0 or 2 or 6 or 8, this is an even number. So I think this is clear what is an odd number or even number. You can recognize them easily by viewing the digit at the units place. If it is 1, it is odd. If it is 3, it is odd. If it is 7 or 9, it is odd. And if it is 0, 4, 2, 6 or 8, it is an even number. So I think this is clear now what is an odd number. And you have been taught from class 4th, I think, what even an odd number. So even, now we have to find the sum of all odd numbers which are lying between 0 and 50. We don't know what is the number of the odd numbers which are lying between 0 and 50. 1 is odd apart from 0, and 3 is odd, 5 is odd, 7 is odd, 9 is odd, so on, so on, so on. And last one is 49. So an AP is forward here. We don't know what is the number. So let us find first the number here. A is equal to 1. What is D? D is equal to 3 minus 1, that is 2. And what is AN? AN is equal to 49. AN is equal to 49. This is the last term. AN is equal to 49. Let's find what is N. So AN, you know, this is A plus N minus 1 into D. This is equivalent to 49. What is A here? It is 1 plus N minus 1 into D. What is D here? 2 is equal to 49. So N minus 1 into 2 is equal to 49 minus 1. N minus 1 into 2 is equivalent to 48. What is N minus 1? This is equal to 48 divided by 2. 2 24s are. So N minus 1 is equal to 24. What is N? This is 24 plus 1. So N is equal to 25. So there are 25 odd numbers between 0 and 50. Now we have to find the sum of these odd numbers, which are 25 in number. So Sn, you know, sum of odd numbers. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes, this is your formula to find the sum. So here sum n is 25 divided by 2 into 2a. What is a? A is 1. Plus n is 25 minus 1 into d. D is here 2. So d is here 2. This is 25 divided by 2 into 2 ones are 2 plus 24 into 2. So this is 25 divided by 2 into 2 plus this 48. So this is further equal to S25 is equivalent to 25 divided by 2 into 50. 2 ones are 2, 25s are. Now S25 is 25 into 25, that is 625. This is the sum of 25 odd numbers which are lying between 0 and 50. I think this is very clear to you now. Now proceeding further in this exercise, some questions are left before we take up another chapter. Now question number 15 reads, a contract on the construction. Let me wrap it off. A contract on construction jobs specifies a penalty for a delaying of completion of beyond a certain date as follows: rupees 200 for the first day, rupees 250 for the second day, and 300 for the third day. And we have to find if the contractor delayed the work for 30 days, what will be the total penalty. Now you see, suppose a contractor has been assigned a contract work and the time is specified. You have, as a contractor, you have to complete the work up to suppose 21st of May. If he is not able to complete the work, then he is liable to pay a penalty of 200 for the first day, then for the second day 50 more, that is 250 for the second day, and 300 for the third day. So if a contractor will not be able to complete the work in the specified time, he has to pay a penalty. For the first day he has to pay 200, so this is 200 for the first day, this is penalty. Then each successive day 50 rupees is increased, that is 250 for the second day, 300 for the third day, 350 for the fourth day, so on. So here is an AP's form. Now, if the contractor delays the work for 30 days, we have to find how much he has to pay as penalty for 30 days. Now n is equal to 30. Here A is equal to 200. What is D? D is 250 minus 200, that is 50. So D is here 50. And what is N? N is 30. So we have to find the penalty imposed on this contractor for delaying the work for how many days? 30 days. So N is here 30. So Sn, you know, Sn is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Sn is 30 divided by 2 into 2A. 2A is 200 plus N is 30 minus 1 into D. What is that? D is 50. So this is 2 ones are 2, 15s are. So 15 into 2 into 200 is 400 plus this is 29 into 50. Now this is further equivalent to 15 into 400 plus 0. 5 9s are 45. 5 2s are 10, 14. So this is 15 into 400 plus 1450. It is 1850. So multiplying, this is S30, the penalty imposed on the contractor for delaying the work for 30 days, that is S30 is equivalent to 15 into 1850. So this will be equivalent to 15 0 0 is 5. This is 7. 27. Yes. This is rupees 27,750 rupees. This is the penalty the contractor has to pay. So I think this is very easy. This was the AP format. So this is very easy question. 27,750 rupees. Now one more question is like this: a sum of 700 is to be used to give the 7 cash prizes to students. 7 cash prizes to students. Now rupees 700 is the sum. 700 is the sum. Sum of rupees 700 is distributed amongst 7 students as cash prize. But we don't know what is the first prize, what is the second prize, what is the third prize, what is the fourth prize, what is the fifth, what is the sixth, and what is the 7th prize. 7 prizes are there. So let the first prize is equal to A, rupees A. But it is given that each price is 20 rupees less than the preceding price. Now second price is obviously 20 rupees less. Third price is 20 rupees less than the second price. And fourth price is 20 rupees less than the third price. Fifth price is, yes, 20 rupees less than the fourth price, and so on. Let the first price is A. What is second price? Yes, second price is A minus 20. This is second. And what is third price? Third price is, yes, A minus 20 and minus 20. This is A minus 40, obviously. This is 20 less than the second price. Third price is 20 less than the second price. And fourth price, yes, fourth price is this A minus 40 minus 20. This is obviously A minus 60. This is the fourth price. And fifth price is A minus 60 minus 20. This is A minus 80. Sixth price is A minus 80 minus 20. This is A minus 100. And last price, seventh price is A minus 100 minus 20. That is A minus 120. So these are the seven prices. First price we assume that it be A, and it is given that the second price is 20 rupees 20 less than the preceding price. Obviously this is A minus 20. Third price is again 20 rupees less, that is A minus 40. And fourth price is again less, 20 rupees less, that is A minus 60. Similarly, this fifth is A minus 80 and 60 is A minus 100. And last price, seventh price, A minus 120. And the sum of all these prices, this is equal to 700. A plus A minus 20 plus A minus 60 plus A minus 80 plus A minus 100 plus A minus 120. This is equal to 700. The sum of all these seven prices is equal as 700. So this is obviously 7A minus 20, 60, minus 80, minus 100, minus, this is minus 420 is equal to 700. So what is 7A? Sorry, one price we forget to write. This is A minus 40 plus A minus 60. This is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh price. 7A is equivalent. This is 700 plus 420. So 7A is equal to, this is 1120. What is A? A is 1120 divided by 7, 160. So A is equal to 160. What was our A? This was our first prize. So first prize is equal to rupees 160. And what is second prize is A minus 20. That is 160 minus 20. That is second prize is 140. So this is second prize. Similarly, what is third prize? Third prize is A minus 40. So this is 160 minus 40. This is 120. This is third prize. Similarly, fourth prize is 160 minus 60. This is 100. And fifth prize is 160 minus 80. This is 80. And sixth prize is 160 minus 60 minus 100.